Babiana, like bob me up, turn me to Bob. Babiana. I'm just so happy I can put my hair in a ponytail now. It's really giving tape-ins. Where are the clip-ins? Where are ponytails, girl?
City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. I'm excited because we are doing our hair today. I've been loving my bob. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like Babiana, like bob me up, turn me to Bob. Babiana. But I'm excited because today's video is sponsored by Curlsqueen. Thank you so much to Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video. So before we get into the styling portion of the video, sneak peek, it's clip-ins. And y'all know I love me a good clip-in, okay? A little kinky straight clip-in. Sign me up. Sign me up. So let's do a quick little unboxing and then I will come back to you guys and style it. I'm actually gonna try a new method of styling. I've seen this on the TikTok girlies and I figured I would try it out. So let's see what Curlsqueen is giving. Already tell the clip-ins are giving what they're supposed to give. Like, this is stunning. Let me get out of the way. Look at the clip. Stunning. Look at this hair. Stunning. Just how I like my clip-ins or any extensions. I love a kinky straight. Oh my god, stunning. Because I'm actually natural, but I wear my hair straight, so I'm like a straight natural. But I love to keep the health of my hair, and I want the extensions to match my hair and to blend in. So that's what we're about to see. I've worked with Curlsqueen before, so you're not new to my channel, you already know this. So shout out to my Curlsqueen family. But let's see how many clip-ins you get. I'm not gonna wash them before putting them in, but definitely feel free to wash it. It is human hair. So you get 2 of the 5 clips, 2 of the 4 clips. Is it focusing? 2 of the 4 clips, 2 of the 3 clips, and then 4 of the 2 clips. So I love that. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a total of 10 clips to clip in your hair. I probably don't even need all these because the hair itself is so thick. So let me show you an individual one up close again. So this is what the 4 clips look like. This is the texture. And what I love is that it is thick all the way down to the ends. It has such a natural, oh my god, I'm obsessed, y'all. Let's see if we can get this little ponytail hairstyle going on, you guys. I have never tried this, so we're gonna see. I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush and move the hair in like a bowl kind of shape, because the idea is to put the ponytail in the middle of your head. So do I want a part? Nah, we're not gonna do a part. We're gonna see what it looks like without a part. So I want to be able to put the ponytail right in the middle and then have my hair cover it. It's like I'm about to wrap it. The wrapped hair girlies will know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna take a hair tie. It does not have to be anything fancy. This is just the little hair tie that I have right now. Okay, period. And I'm going to make a little ponytail. Again, this does not have to be perfect. No perfect lines. I just want to make sure that the hair around the ponytail can cover up the clips. You guys will see what I'm doing in a second here. So I want to make sure that I have enough on the sides. Where I put my actual natural hair ponytail is going to be where the ponytail is going to lie. So let's see. Where do I want this ponytail to be? I'm just so happy I can put my hair in a ponytail now. Before it was like really short, you guys. Oh, this is kind of cute. I should do a half down. Anyway, okay, so this is where the ponytail is. And then you're going to take the clips. So let me just, again, I'm just gonna move this so that I can see you guys. So I'm gonna take the 3 clip, open them up. By the way, there's no weird smell. So I'm gonna put my head down like this, and we're gonna snap the middle snap right here on the top of the pony. Make sure it doesn't hurt, because then if it hurts when you're applying it, your child's gonna hurt while you're wearing it and looking cute, okay? So snap it. You want it to be flat, like this. Period. So it's giving, y'all see where we're going with this? Y'all see? Then I'm gonna take another 3 one, and I'm gonna do it the opposite way this time. So I'm opening these up, and this time I'm gonna start in the back. So we're gonna flip it. Period. So then that's flat. Woo, period. All right, y'all see where we're going with this. It's giving ponytail, it's giving high ponytail. Ooh, that's gonna be so cute. Okay, then we're gonna take the rest of the 2. So we have the 2 clips, put this here. And then do the same thing on this side. Boom, boom, boom. And I have 2 more of the 2. So we're going to, on the bottom, so flip right at the base. Boom, 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 flip. And then the other one at the top. Boom. Then you're gonna push the hair back. And if you need, you can put some more in the back, but I think I'm good. Now I know my hair is cut kind of blunt and this hair isn't straightened, but look at the color match. Perfection. Oh, yeah. Wait until I style it. Wait, just wait, sis. Just you wait. It's really giving tape ends. Okay, we're gonna put in honey. I'm gonna fix the flyaways and everything like that, but let's first put it in the pony so you guys can see the match. Again, my hair is really short in the back, but look at that. Clip-ins. Where are the clip-ins? So I actually like to put a few pieces down. I'm gonna take a couple of these pieces. I think it makes it look more natural. And then this back that's really short, we're gonna bobby pin it up, okay? Don't be afraid to play around with it a little bit. This hair, honestly, that was quicker than like doing a whole head of clip-ins and like doing a ponytail that way. So I really like this. Okay, I know you guys are like, girl, you got the piece sticking up. Hey, we're about to fix all of that.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do.
So I actually like when my baby hairs like aren't laid, but they're kind of like pulled out. Y'all see that? Like where it's like effortless. I don't know, I kind of like that. And then for the these little pieces, just a little swirl, you see, and then you just put some behind the ear and some kind of sticking out a little. I like that. Same over here, little swirly whirl, and then put some on the ear and some out. I like that. Boom. And then if I really wanted to get like my hair to like not be frizzy at all, I would spray hairspray and then brush it. But I don't want to put hairspray in my hair. I just freshly washed it. You know what I'm saying? And then there's a few pieces up here because, again, my hair is short. And you can either do a wrap method where you take some of this hair and like wrap it like this. So it looks like that. Or you can just tuck it under longer pieces. This is more risky because like pieces can stick out. This is what I be doing, child. I'm gonna wear ponytail girl. It's giving Starbucks run, Pilates, maybe even like a cute little date night that might be like athleisure or bowling or something. It's so cute. And these clip-ins, the quality is amazing. Look at the hair. I love that. So natural. It curls so well. I just did some loose curls. So cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So cute. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you again to Curlsqueen for sponsoring. Don't forget to check the description box for links, coupon codes, all the things on this hair. So if you are a short hair girly like me, or maybe you want a little bit more volume, or maybe child, you like, baby, I just want some clip-ins, okay? That's what I want. Look no further, because y'all, please, 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 please get y'all one of these. I feel like clip-ins is for the girls that are like, I miss short hair when I have long hair, but I miss long hair when I have short hair, but like, now I get the best of both worlds. Feeling myself, feeling myself. It's giving ponytail season. This is so cute. With some earmuffs. I'm in the South, but this is so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys click the notification bell so you can be notified because y'all know YouTube be playing, okay? Comment below how do you guys like this ponytail method. Let me know if you guys want to see some more hairstyles with clip-ins. Now that my hair's short, I feel like I can try so many different styles with my short hair. Let me know if you want to see short hairstyles too, because I'm trying to figure that out and like play along with that. I don't know if I'll do like a separate video or maybe like in a vlog, but let me know, y'all, because one thing about it is I might not be a wig girl anymore, but a clip-in, a tape-in, a sew-in, anything in, I'm with it. Okay, end the video.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.